Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be removing these guys. I found this video online and it says that you can take this off in less than 5 minutes. She took about 15 with removing the product, soaking her nails, and also buffing and hydrating them back to life. So what I did already was I already buffed off all of the shine that is on the nails. Now I'm going to be using a few different products to remove the nails. So let me show you those now. I have 100% acetone, a plastic bag, and regular paper towels. I will also be using my nail file. I removed the shine off of my nails already, just kind of buffed it all out. You could also use an electric file if you wanted to, but I prefer using a hand file. I'm also going to be using this little tool here. It has a cuticle pusher and then also a little point to help kind of push off the dip gel that is on top of my nails. Forgot to mention is the other tool that we're going to use, and it's a bowl of water that you're going to microwave for 2 minutes, hot enough to where you're not going to burn your hands. Let me show you the bowl that I'm using right now. This is a basic bowl. I think it's actually ceramic, and I just filled it up with some water, boiled it for about 2 minutes. Now, I decided to do this video because I really was getting sick and tired of my nails. I'm gonna re-dip them again, but I'm gonna go a little less thick. I love my nails thicker, but I decided to go a little bit more natural since I'm doing a lot more work on the computer. They're kind of getting in the way. That's why I ended up looking up some ideas to help me take it off. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna take this napkin and we're gonna fold it in half like so, and put the napkin face this side. The open side, we're gonna flip it around and have that open on this side so we can stick our hand into the napkin once it's in there. Because we're gonna take the acetone, pour it inside, like so. The acetone, if you can see, it's all here, it's on the napkin. We're going to stick our hand inside, say hello, and leave this open, and we're just gonna let our fingers sit in there and see how it goes from there. Now the inside of the bag does not have water in it, it's just acetone. The acetone mixed with the warm water is supposed to help break down the gel faster. So what I'm doing is I'm just wiggling my fingers around. Let's see what we've got so far. Oh, as you can see here, but look at it, it's peeling apart. That's a good thing. So I'm gonna leave it in there probably for a little longer because my nails are a lot thicker, so I know it's gonna take a little while longer to take off. So I will show you in a minute. So far it's working, guys, what it will look like when I push off all of the nail gel. It's been 8 minutes on my first hand. Again, remember, this is a little thicker than most people's dip nails because I like mine a little bit thicker. And let's take a look. You can see that it's a lot more bubbly. It's peeling off the pink. And you know what? I say let's go ahead and try out pushing this off of our nail beds. It's like gummy. So as you can see, it is peeling it off. It's gonna take me a lot longer because it's really thick, but that technique does really work. And so you can see that the lifting is coming off compared to these. I'm gonna keep peeling off and I will show you guys what it looks like after. My goal is to be able to take this all off without damaging my nail underneath. I'm sure the nail underneath is probably a little thin. Completely expecting that. It's not a surprise to me. My nail beds are usually really thin when I do my nails. I'm actually going to attempt to try to buff it off with this to see what that looks like. All right, everybody, I went in for about 3 minutes longer and just to get as much as I could off. It's a lot better. You can actually see some of my clear color that I had in there at first. Probably will come off a lot faster now. So I'm certain that if you were doing this on dip nails that weren't as thick as mine, it would come off a lot faster. And I'm actually 100% sure it would come off a lot faster. Another technique that you could use is where you take aluminum foil, put a little bit of a cotton ball into it, dipped in acetone, wrap it around your fingers, and that's also another way to remove the gel off of your nail or acrylic or whatever it is that you're using. It's also a lot harder when you chose to make this video using your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand. So we're almost, actually this looks really great. This is close to my natural nail. Sure, if you had an E-file, this would come off a lot faster. Okay, so this is what the right hand looks like right now. I gave it a break because I didn't want to keep my hand in acetone for too long. This is my second hand. I've soaked this one for about 10 minutes. Again, my nails were really thick. It's what they look like after I kind of brushed up against them a little bit. This is what it looked like before I went at it. But now I am working on these. It's very satisfying to dig into these. The thing is though, is that once it's done feeling a little bit moist and wet, it'll get hard again, so it makes it a little bit difficult to peel off. So you kind of had to move, you know, as quick as possible. I did switch tools. This one's more of a round and flat one, and this one's more of a straight push. All right, everybody, so here is our final somewhat look. I'm still cleaning up some of these and some of these, so I'll just be buffering these down until otherwise. I did round them out so that way I can put a gel polish over them, and that is my plan for right now. But we are on day 2 of my nails, which is totally fine, and I think it's realistic to say that some people have this expectation that it takes 2 minutes to do your nails, and then you're like totally like, oh my god, look how pretty my nails are. No, I'm not a liar. Here we are. I finally got them down to these little nubbies. So we're gonna wrap this up, finish it, and be done hopefully in less than an hour, because I'm gonna dip them once, and then I'm gonna put my foundation, my gel foundation, and that's it today. To all the women out there that have watched YouTube videos and it says 5 minutes to get your soak off, if you have thick nails, prepare for a little bit longer. Okay, all right, let's just get right into it. All right, so what did we learn from this process? Number 1, if your nails are really thick, expect a longer time. Number 2, expect a longer time. And number 3, expect longer time. This took me probably about 5 hours altogether. I took a break last night after I got all of the dip off my nails after soaking them, let them breathe, and then I woke up this morning and we finished them. Yeah, this is what you have, everybody. It's beautiful. It's natural, and they're Easter egg shaped. So cheers to you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, week, month, I don't know, whatever it is that you're doing. And stay safe out there. And thanks for hanging out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on my next video.